6:08.
Yeah, we're going to our second camp out, Troop 9963. Today we're going to Alpine, New Jersey. I don't know what time we're going to get there. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what this campsite looks like, but we'll figure it out. Oli, what are you doing?
We're heating the food here for dinner. Thanks to you for setting up this beautiful setup. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at this right here.
Oh my God. And you didn't bring for everybody. You guys are done. Wow, amazing.
Hello.
As you can see, there's a very big bar up there, right? But if you look over here, all these people are taking photos. Yeah. I'm sure you get this interception. Come on. Daddy, you good? You holding it up? You tired?
Oh, the white moon rolls over us from the valley of Wada, and we owe it to show gratefulness where the call is to Allah.
How's it going?
We made it. That was the easy part. So you guys know that's the easy part. Okay. You guys ready for the hard part?
Yeah.
Or you want to go back up?
I'll go back up.
What was that?
Commit to the
When you
fit.
commit, you gotta see it through.
All right. All right.
أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع جئت شرفت المدينة مرحبا يا خيرتا أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع جئت شرفت المدينة مرحبا يا خيرتا أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع جئت شرفت المدينة مرحبا يا خيرتا صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
I found my little rock. Ron fell.
Yeah.
He almost broke his finger.
So bloodied up. No one has a first aid kit.
Oh, you who were raised amongst us, coming with a word to be obeyed. You have brought to this city nobleness. Welcome, best caller to God's way. أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع جئت شرفت المدينة مرحبا يا خيرتا طلع البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما
Everybody's eating? Everybody's good? Okay.
We got a lot extra.
Don't worry.
How much butter chicken do you have?
Okay.
Teddy, how's the food?
So good.
It's
Of
good.
course.
You like it?
Home cooked, man.
That's good. You have a lot, man.
Okay, okay.
We don't have much butter.
You guys eat. You guys eat. You guys did a big hike, so you guys eat.
No, you don't need enough butter chicken for you?
Faizan, how's the butter chicken?
It's the fastest and best thing ever.
It's the best, right? Who made
It has
it?
so much flavor.
Who made it?
It's a dealer.
What do you guys?
Yeah, like,
You
make sure
You
it
made
doesn't
it?
burn. I just
Yeah, we
want to
made it.
warm it up.
You guys heat it up. Sister Adila made the butter chicken.
Yeah, but we bought stuff from home. We bought ingredients from home.
Okay.
We cooked the entire thing. Yeah. All ourselves.
Suleiman, how's the butter chicken?
That butter chicken was good, man.
Good.
And if you guys
Yeah?
have any water, there are
Okay.
these packets you can put into your water.
You guys started cooking the other ones? Good. Yeah, I make extra.
I think I'm gonna get the.
No.
You're not gonna get
What are you making? You're making tacos?
Yeah.
We had it before you guys. I had to.
What? The tacos?
Wait, so is there a time frame for cooking patty? Like,
Nope, just gotta guess. You want ketchup? Just ketchup.
I don't know.
When the patty is cooked,
Then that's when you know it's cooked.
oh no, oh no.
Okay, and remember guys, the pancake mix and the syrup will be located in the control box.
It actually helps.
It's gonna help.
Yeah, it relaxes your body a little bit.
Yeah, you
And you're gonna sleep too. Because the
I'm coming, thank you.
How do you guys think things were?
cold, man.
hiking. No, I will say this is the best one.
Yeah, the best one. Another hike 10 miles. Next
Amazing.
time. Farhan, 10
It was
miles.
some beautiful views, scenery.
What is
Best
this is the
camp.
best one?
That's the best one from all the camping.
This was gonna teach them a scout.